Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Today, let's explore the stylish side of the OnePlus 12 and its impressive color options. First off, let's talk about the colors. The OnePlus 12 comes in three chic variants: green, black, and white. Each color has its own unique charm, catering to various style preferences. Next up is the black variant, offering classic elegance and sophistication. This timeless choice adds a touch of refinement to your device, perfect for those who appreciate understated luxury. The green OnePlus 12 radiates vibrant energy, perfect for those who love a lively and bold look that stands out wherever you go. Lastly, we have the white OnePlus 12, boasting a clean and modern appearance. Ideal for users who prefer a sleek and minimalist aesthetic that effortlessly blends with any outfit or setting. In summary, the OnePlus 12's color options cater to a wide range of tastes, from energetic and vibrant to classic and elegant. Whatever your style preference, there's a OnePlus 12 color variant that's just right for you.